Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is jeera rice. I'm going to use 1 cup of basmati rice for the recipe. I have already cleaned it. Add the rice into a pan and add 2 cups of water. Let us bring this to a boil. Add the required amount of salt and half a teaspoon of oil. If you add a little oil, the rice won't stick to one another. Close it and cook until the rice turns soft. So here the rice is ready. Let us allow it to cool down a little bit. Now take a pan, add a teaspoon of ghee. To this add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 green chilies. Now give this a nice saute for about a minute. To this let us add a quarter cup of cooked green peas. Let us saute this for about a minute and then add the cooked rice. Add few coriander leaves. Now give everything a nice mix. So here the jeera rice is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.